Hello. For this extra credit time block planning video number 3, I'm gonna be talking about how the planner worked or didn't work for me. So unfortunately, I did not get my planner on time. I ordered again. This is the second time I order it. It says that it's supposed to arrive tonight, no later than 10 p.m. Hopefully, so we will see. But I did do it on my phone, my planning. It did work. I really enjoyed the time block method. It gives you a peace of mind. It calms all your stress, because especially when you have your mind in a mess, and then you sit down and you gather your thoughts basically. And that's what I'm doing every Sunday. I sit down and try to plan for the week, at least what I know, because I know there's some things that might change or not. And that's what I like about the method, that you can always add or adjust, delete, and whatnot. But I try to do it every Sunday, to plan my week. Mostly for work, I know, I have an idea of what exactly I need, because it's just the routine, right? I know I had to answer emails. I have some reports that I need to do. I have meetings, and then I just here and there I add and change some things, and then the things that I have not basically overall, I some things that I need to delete or add is whenever I have a meeting scheduled, right, for one day, and I put it that it's 1 hour meeting, because that's what it says. But and then it takes more than 1 hour, so then it kind of overlaps, because let's say that I have from 12 to 1 that meeting, and then I have 1 to 2, 1:05 to 2 o'clock, 2:05 my lunch. But then sometimes I'm still at lunch, and then I'm still at the meeting and I haven't gone to lunch. And then, for instance, like today, I had scheduled that today's Saturday at this time I was gonna be done with my shower. I'll be showering, because I would have gone to. I did go to Nebraska. We did go to Nebraska Furniture, but I did not hop on the shower. I decided to do my discussion board and now this, and so it says that I have 9 minutes remaining of my shower, because I had scheduled to shower from 8:20 all the way to 8:50, and then I have that I'm gonna be watching TikTok later on. But instead, I need to go back there and edit that. I decided to do my homework, my assignments first, and then I'm gonna shower. So basically, by the time that I'm supposed to be watching TikTok, I'm actually gonna be showering. So that's the only things that I dislike. But I really, especially this app, I really enjoyed it, because it gives me notification. It gives me I deleted it, but it gives me a notification like that says in 5 minutes you're supposed to start, and it tells me, start reading or whatever, and then 10 minutes remaining for you to finish the assignment, the whatever I'm doing. So if I had from 8:30 to 8:35 that I'm supposed to be eating, it gives me a notification. You have 5 minutes until you're supposed to finish eating. You're supposed to finish eating at 8:35. So I really like, especially this app. I like this app, but I like the time block method. Being able to sit down and schedule and say, especially in the mornings, whenever your mind is the freshest, and say, okay, I'm gonna focus 1 hour of doing emails, 1 hour doing reports, and that's what I've been doing. And then, like, reflecting at the end of the day, because I've never done this, but I've been reflecting at the end of the day, and I'm like, okay, it did take an hour to do this report today, but yesterday took me an hour and 10 minutes. And then I think back, and I'm like, why did it take me 10 minutes more yesterday than today? And then it's like, because those 10 minutes I decided to take a call that it was not planned, that took. That's why. So stuff like that, which I had not done with my other planners. And then with my other planners, I had just scheduled that I needed to do so and so assignment, but not giving myself an exact time to do it. So then it's like it would just make me feel good that I was able to accomplish it. But now it makes me feel even better because I'm like, I was able to accomplish it in 1 hour. And then I was able to hop on to the other assignment, the other task, and completed that in a timely manner, instead of just checking off and I'm like, okay, yeah, I did my to-do list, but do I know exactly how long it took me? No, I don't. So I really, really think that I'm gonna continue with this method. And then I really hope the planner arrives and then I can start actually using it. And then especially for tomorrow, that is Sunday, when I sit down and plan out for the week, instead of using this app, I can use the planner and actually plan out. So I'm excited, hopefully. If not, I'm just gonna use my other planner, and then just because my other planner has for the days, it has a very pretty good amount of space for me to actually, time block my day. So there's no excuse really. But yeah. So yeah, okay, thanks.